Hey there. I want to talk to you about something most property managers and HOA boards don't think about until it's too late: property maintenance. You know what I'm talking about: roofs leaking, paint peeling, gutters overflowing, staircases cracking, and your residents are not happy. But here's the thing: maintenance doesn't have to be a headache, not when you've got MooreCorp roofing and property maintenance on your side. We're a family-owned and operated company, trusted by HOAs, property managers, commercial facilities, and government buildings across Southwest Florida. Why? Because we make your job easier and your properties stronger. We handle everything, including roofing and roof inspections, stucco, siding, and paint, both interior and exterior, sheetrock repairs, flooring installs, soffit, fascia, and gutterwork staircase, and railing repairs, window replacements, parking lot, maintenance, concrete, resurfacing and repair, pressure washing garbage enclosures and debris removal, and yes, even carports and mailbox installations. From a simple fix to a full-blown renovation, MooreCorp handles projects of any size, from a few $100s to several million. And we don't just show up, we show up ready, with certified contractors, licensed professionals, and the fastest response time in the business. Looking for long-term care? Ask about our policy protection plan. We'll map your property, track inspections, and keep everything running like clockwork. And here's the game changer: our policy protection plan can save up to $150,000 for every $1 million in funds recovered, by streamlining the legal and adjusting process with our trusted partners. Less stress, more protection, and big-time savings. Don't just take our word for it. Look at the results. Our work speaks for itself. So the next time you need maintenance, repairs, or just a reliable partner to call, don't scramble. Call MooreCorp. One team, one number, every solution.